This is CIS 102 Cisco Packet Tracer Activity 5333 using the Cisco IOS show commands. The first thing we're going to do is click on the directions box, and we're going to do the Cisco IOS show commands are used extensively when working with Cisco equipment. In this activity, you will use the show commands on a router that is located at an ISP. The first step is to connect to the ISP Cisco 1841 router. Okay, so we're going to go over there and click on that, the router. We're going to go to the PC. We're going to click on that, the desktop, terminal emulation software, and there we go. You can see that we have everything in place to be successful. Second step is to go through some of the show commands and answer some of the questions. So we'll be doing that after we come over here and type in enter. There we have the ISP router prompt, and then we're going to type in enable, and we're going to click on that, and now we're in privileged exec mode. We're going to go through some of these show commands, and we're going to answer some of the questions at the end. The first thing we're going to do is show ARP. We're going to type that in, and we have some information here that could be very useful for us. The second thing we're going to do is show flash. Type in show flash, and some information comes up. It talks about the bytes that are used, the bytes that are available, and the total number of bytes. Okay, so we're getting additional information. Third thing we're going to do is do the show IP route, and that shows us what networks are subnetted, what are directly connected, and fast Ethernet 00. Now this is going to help us in the future, I'm sure. The next command we're going to do is show interfaces. That gives us a whole bunch of information. It says fast Ethernet 00 is up, line protocol is up, connected, hardware, encapsulation. It gives us a whole bunch of different things that are very useful. Now I'm going to type in show protocols. And internet protocol routing is enabled. Hopefully that's helpful information. Okay. And after show protocols, we're going to put in show users. Got to click on the screen again to get it activated. Keep forgetting that sometimes. And we have some information displayed, and then show version. Version, not versions. This gives us some product information and things of that nature. Now we're going to go down below and we're going to answer some of the questions. First of all, it says, why do you need to be in privileged exec mode to explore the Cisco IOS show commands that are used in this activity? And the answer is because they cannot be used in the user mode. How much flash memory is reported? Well, there's 13,832,032 bytes are used. 18,682,016 bytes are available, and 32,514,048 bytes total. Well, that's how much flash memory there is. The next question is, which of the following is subnetted? And the answer is 209.165.201.0. Okay, and what the last question is, what internet interface is up and running? And the answer is Fast Ethernet 00, and we talked about that earlier, and it came up a couple of times. And that successfully completes CIS 102 Cisco Packet Tracer Activity 5333, which is using the Cisco IOS show commands.